It's a new month for ULTY. For those who haven't been keeping up with my previous videos analyzing the companies ULTY trades against, we'll go over the current full list as of pre-market open May 6th. Data was pulled May 5th. This video is not financial advice, nor is it a recommendation. Please do your own due diligence before investing into anything. We'll start off with their direct holdings. Of course, they have cash at any one point, and they also have a mutual fund called the First American Government Obligations Fund, ticker symbol FGXXX. This mutual fund buys and holds governments, which is your treasury bills and treasury bonds, and it also holds cash. Expense ratio on this mutual fund is 0.14% per market watch. And although ULTY has previously held direct treasury bonds themselves, they've, at least in recent days, elected to allow FGXXX to be the sum total of their exposure to governments. Now for the first company on our list that ULTY is trading against, we're going to start with Affirm, ticker symbol AFRM. They're the company you see on Amazon offering payment plans. They are currently losing money, and as far back as I can look, I cannot find a single profitable quarter. And I can look back as far as Q1 of 2022. They currently pay no dividends. Their IV sits at 90.29%, and that is a 47th percentile IV. Next on the list is CleanSpark, ticker symbol CLSK. We've covered them before. They are a Bitcoin mining company. They own data centers in Georgia that mine Bitcoin. They do not host miners for other companies, which means they probably own and retain all the miners and the coins in their facilities. They pay no dividends at the moment. Q4 of 2023 was its first profitable quarter since Q4 of 2021. The next quarterly report comes out May 9th. CleanSpark's IV sits at 125.46%, and that is a third percentile IV. Third on this list is Coinbase, ticker symbol COIN. They're a crypto exchange and well-known one at that. They're already a reference asset for another YieldMax ETF. That ETF is CONY. They currently pay no dividends. Q1 makes their second profitable quarter in a row since 2021 with net income of $1.18 billion. Their IV sits at 94.4%, and that is a 68th percentile IV. Moving along, we have Enphase, ticker symbol ENPH. They're a solar energy for homes company. They sell entire systems, including microinverters, power storage, EV chargers, and solar panels. They currently pay no dividends. They were profitable last quarter, but Q1's net income is back in the red with a loss of $16.1 million. Their IV sits at 83.34%, and that is a 97th percentile IV. Next up is GigaCloud Technologies, ticker symbol GCT. They're a B2B online marketplace. They pay no dividends. They are profitable. Q4 of 2023 showed a net income of $35.57 million. IV sits at 113.05%, and that is a 60th percentile IV. Going back into the crypto space, we have MicroStrategy Inc., ticker symbol MSTR. They're a Bitcoin development company. They design, develop, market, and sell their own software platform. They are also another YieldMax ETF under the ticker symbol MSTY. Q1 did show a net loss of $53.12 million, which is a flip from the previous quarter, which showed net profit. Their current IV sits at 134.22%, and that is a 91st percentile IV. One of the newer companies on this list is B. Riley Financial Inc., ticker symbol RILY. They are an investment banking and financial services company. They pay quarterly dividends. They are currently losing money on the past two quarterly reports. Their IV is at 178.29%, and that is an 81st percentile IV. Next on our list is Root Holdings, ticker symbol ROOT. Root is a holding company whose subsidiaries are in the insurance industry. They are currently losing money, and they have been for multiple quarters. They pay no dividends. Their IV is 153.04%, and that is a 74th percentile IV. Moving along, we have Supermicro Computer Inc., ticker symbol SMCI. They sell servers as well as the parts for servers in addition to telecom hardware. They pay no dividends. They are profitable as of the latest quarterly report. Their IV is 94.43%, and that is an 87th percentile IV. Next is Symbiotic Inc., ticker symbol SYM. They're an automation technology company that uses AI to improve supply chain operations and serves various industries, including retail grocery, retail general merchandise, food wholesale, and apparel. They are currently losing money, but their last profitable quarter was Q2 of 2022. They currently pay no dividends, and their IV is at 77.29%, and that is a 32nd percentile IV. Next up is another familiar face here, Vertiv Holdings, ticker symbol VRT. Vertiv sells power systems, thermal management systems, racks, and enclosures for servers in addition to whole server setups, including something they call the Smart Closet. They do pay a quarterly dividend, albeit a small one. They are profitable, and net income appears to be growing the past few quarters. IV is 73.27%, and that is a 90th percentile IV. The last holding on this list is Wolfspeed Inc., ticker symbol WOLF. They are a semiconductor company focused on silicon carbide technologies with applications such as fast charging for EVs and power storage. They currently pay no dividends. They are currently losing money, but they have previously reported at least one quarter of positive net income, and they have an IV of 110.61%, and that is a 96th percentile IV. Now that we've covered all the holdings, let's go over some final thoughts. The first time we covered the entire ULTY holdings list, there was pharma, crypto, solar, and other tech stocks. Now they've completely traded out of pharma stocks, and we're seeing a heavy bias toward crypto with some other tech stocks and financial services companies sprinkled in. This means as long as they trade so hard into crypto, the performance of this ETF will likely follow the crypto market, which is driven almost completely by the price of Bitcoin. What's your stance on ULTY now? Are you buying, selling, or avoiding it altogether? If you like this video, you might also enjoy this one here on the screen. Subscribe to join the Cash Flow Club and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a single video.